Don't fall, no, no, no. Alright YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Tank B Chopping and I'm back with another video. So if y'all been watching my videos, y'all know I recently got this clipper and these trimmers right here. Now the same day that I was shooting the video about the unboxing and my initial thoughts on these, I actually purchased another clipper, so let me show y'all real quick. I actually purchased this, however, I was doing the review, not the review, I was doing the unboxing and my initial thoughts on the Babyless, so I didn't want to break these out in the video. So I'm going to be doing that today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing on these trimmers right here. We got the the GTX EXOs from ANDIS. We're gonna be doing an unboxing. I would like to use them today, however, I don't have anyone to cut today. You know what, I think I got one person to cut later on, so I might use it on them, but I'll go ahead and use it on myself, because you know, I need to shave a little bit. So I'll use them on myself, and then we're just gonna unbox it, see what it comes with, and then we're gonna talk a little bit about it. All right, so let's go ahead and open up this box. It's a nice looking box, check that out. GTXO cordless lithium. GTX EXO cordless lithium, man, that's a mouthful, you know what I'm saying? GTX EXO cordless lithium ion trimmer. All right, blade position enhances visibility. You know what, if y'all want to take a look at that, y'all can pause this video, y'all can read all that. I'm not finna read all that. I'm just gonna show you what it's got in it, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. All right, so we're opening up the box. I don't want to drop nothing, but I want to show y'all as we unbox it. Okay, so there's nothing in here, you know, put this to the side. We got a little piece of tape right here. We're gonna take this off. All right, there we go. Now I finally got it. It took me like an hour, but I got the tape off. Anyways, let's open this thing up. Let's see what's in here. So as you can see, I don't know if y'all can see, I really don't want to drop it, but check it out. So let's take this thing out of here. Put the box down real quick. So here is the trimmer. It comes in a nice plastic packaging. You know, they're keeping it secure. They're keeping the package nice and secured and safe. Let's take this thing out of here. Let's check it out. I can't even take the dang lid off. Man, they make these things so dang hard to take off now. I got it. I got it now. All right, so check it out. Ooh-hoo. It's got a nice gold blade on there. I ain't gonna lie, man. It looks good. I really want to use it already, but it says power up, turn on. So it's got a little sticker on there. Basically, it says don't turn it on. You can't really see it. It's not focusing. There you go. But anyways, the sticker says power up, turn on only after battery is fully charged. I normally don't, and I know it probably doesn't matter, but you know what, I'm lying. I normally do charge these things up before I use them, but I haven't been here recently. I've been going against the grain, man. I used to always charge my stuff before I turned it on, but I've just been turning stuff on. But I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna go ahead and charge it up. So as you can see, the box comes with the trimmer. It's a nice trimmer. It looks nice, you know, all blacked out with the gold blade. All right, let's see what else comes in this box. So we're gonna take this with the clipper was in, the trimmer was in, sorry. All right, and let's take, as you can see, there's this box up here. I'm gonna take this out, see what's in here. It says it's got 4 high-end combs, oil and adapter. So I'm guessing this is the charger, the guards, and the oil. So sure enough, we got our adapter to charge it. We got important documentation that it says, but I'll never look at that. I know, whatever. We got some guards that I'm probably never gonna use. You know what? I might use these. I think I got an idea for a video. And then we got the oil. But y'all know, oh, I like that little logo. And it's rebranded their logo. I like that. But anyways, we're gonna put this to the side, see what else is in here. And now we got a little box inside the box. And I'm sure this is just the base. So I'm gonna have to, yeah, it says black and gold stand. I'm gonna have to put it on my station, man. It looks nice. And I know y'all probably thinking like, bro, you already got a bunch of clippers, which I do. But man, I'm a clipper junkie, man. My boy Joe said they call me the clipper guru because any clipper I can use, and I can use pretty well to where the haircut comes out nice. And he says, hey, you the clipper guru, so it is what it is, man. But anyways, here is the stand for the trimmer. Looks nice. I know y'all been asking for an actual tour of my station, but I got a bunch of stuff on there right now. I need to clean it up. I'll probably be doing that on the next video, but y'all just stay tuned, guys. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you ain't already subscribed. So like I said, I'm gonna charge these things up. I'm probably gonna shave, line myself up, maybe take it on my head, see how it works, and then I think I have a client later on the day, and if I do, I'll use it on them, and then we'll get back to talking about how it works and what I think about it. You. They feel good. Man, I like them already.
I feel like they're gonna break fast though.
You think so?
Just like the other ones, because I think mine sound loud already.
So you know what? So I seen someone post that online that their shit already sounded loud.
Like Joe's clippers?
Yeah. They sound like clippers.
They sound louder than yours, right?
A little bit. I remember saying. No, yeah, they sound louder. It's probably just the head on it though. I mean, they work good.
Damn it, Tito. Another one? Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Alright guys, check it out. So I had to run out the shop. Well, I didn't have to run, you know, I don't do a lot of running. But I had to leave the shop. I had to come to pick up my daughter from school. So I finished my last client and I basically just ran out of there. I was gonna finish the video at the shop, but you know what, it don't really matter where I finished the video at. We're gonna talk about these ANDIS trimmers that I just unboxed for y'all, that I just used on myself, and the ones that I just used on my client that I just cut. Now I'm gonna be 100 with y'all. I'm trying to keep it as honest as I possibly can. Y'all, when I opened up the box and I put them in my hand, they felt really good in my hand, and I like the way they look. Like, they look dope as hell, you know what I'm saying? I'm really enjoying the way they look. And then when I actually looked at the blade was lined up pretty good. It wasn't like zero gap all the way to where it was like gonna hurt or nick anybody or leave anybody marked up, but they were zero gap pretty good. So I just straight out the box used them like that. I shaved myself up and I was pretty good, and I do got sensitive areas, you know, down here and right here, you know what I'm saying? And when I shaved, it, you know, it shaved pretty good, you know what I'm saying? I normally just do that and then go over it with the shaver. I ain't do the shaver today, but I normally just do that, and like I said, it felt good when I was shaving off all my hair, when I lined up my mustache and my chin area. No irritation, it worked, you know, they worked really well. They worked the way they were supposed to. And then when I was cutting my client, now mind y'all, it was just a taper, so I didn't have to do a lot of balding out. But when it came to balding out the taper area, it worked really well. When it came to lining up behind the ear, worked really well. When it came to doing the beard, worked really well. When it came to doing the front lineup and the vertical bars, they worked good. So I'm not gonna sit here and say that they're the best trimmers I've ever used out the box, because I'm not 100% sure if they are or if they're not, but they're really good. And I already have people asking me how do they compare to the Babyliss trimmers. That's a whole nother video, guys. I will be doing a video on that. But nonetheless, when it comes to these trimmers, the ANDIS GTX EXOs, they hitting, man. I really like them, and it's crazy because I like these. I like the Babyliss ones. I like my X Evos, and it's like, man, I don't know which one's gonna be my go-to. So I'm gonna have to figure it out in these next couple haircuts that I do these next couple days. And honestly, I might just use them all, man. Like, all the tools that I have, I really recommend for anybody. I just really think it's about preference and what you like. But anyways, that's enough talking about that. Back to the trimmer. I think it's a good trimmer. I really like it. It is kind of pricey, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, you know what I'm saying, it works really well. I like that it came with a stand. You know, it has some guards. I know normally we don't use guards when we use a trimmer, but I might use them for a video or two just to try them out. But that's basically it for this video, guys. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure and subscribe one time for your boy. And y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna be doing a detailed review later on. I will be doing some haircut tutorials with these trimmers and then my other clippers that I have. So y'all know your boy stays putting out different content with different clippers and different trimmers. So y'all just stay subscribed, stay rocking with me. I greatly appreciate it, guys. Until next time, let's go.